Hi guys. I can't read the comments very well, I'm so sorry. And I'm very close to one of the loons. He might pop up by the boat. He's been trying to scare me away. The mama and baby are kind of right over there. And the other adult, I don't know if it's a male or female, is being really protective, obviously. And I wouldn't be surprised if he pops up right near the boat. He's done it a couple times. It scared me. So, turn your volume down. I have a tendency to scream when I'm surprised. I haven't seen him for a while, so I think he's underwater. He might be headed towards me. Just kind of hanging back from the mom and baby until I see him again. So I can know where I can paddle. How is everyone? All the comments are sideways. I don't know if you guys can see them. It's a beautiful blue sky day today. So the lake is really reflecting the sunlight, and it's really hard to see the loons in the shadows. They're really good at being camouflaged when the lake's like this. That's what's so cool about their coloring. Wow, there they are. Can you hear them? So he's going to keep wailing the closer I get, or she. They're getting super excited because they see me paddling towards them. So we'll see what happens, maybe. Oh no, there he is. Watch. Look. There's the eagle. Guys, look at the eagle. Maybe that's why they're wailing. Can you see the eagle in the sky right there? There are 2 eagles on this lake right now. That's one of them. You can see its white head. I can't read the comments. I'm so sorry. There's 2 of them. Look at them in the sky. I hope you guys can see that. There are the eagles. Wow, look at how beautiful this is. I hope they're not going after the baby. The baby's over near the right. They're circling something, and they're right over the adult loon. I hope they dive, but not towards the baby. They're getting really excited because they know the eagles are coming. Oh my gosh. I think the baby's too big now. They must be circling something else. I wish I could read the comments. Comments are also sideways. Wow. I hope you guys can see this. I know it's Untitled. I just get so excited. I didn't want to miss anything. Wow, guys. So good to be back on the lake. Can you see? I don't think he's as worried about me anymore. I think he's more worried about the eagles. It's really so amazing. He's trying to lead them away from the mama and the baby. So he's right underneath them, and they are, let's see if I can show you. Mama and the baby are over there. They're really high in the sky now. I think I'm going to try to pick up my phone and retitle this. I feel like they're going to dive soon. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. Plus I'll be able to read the comments. It's just that it's very wavy because there's a lot of boat traffic today. And I'll be right back. I'll be right back.